Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you in the market looking for a corner chaise sofa? Bring sleek style and luxurious comfort into your home with this Jacob Fox leather compact corner chaise sofa. This sofa is perfect for modern living space, offers the ideal balance of elegance, functionality, and space-saving design. Upholstered in trending fox leather with a soft, smooth touch, it delivers the look and feel of genuine leather while being easy to care for, making it a smart, stylish choice for busy households, apartments, or smaller living area. This sofa is carefully designed with both form and function in mind. This L-shaped sofa features a compact footprint that fits snugly into corners or smaller open areas. Despite its size, it offers generous seating for up to 3 people with foam and fiber-filled cushions that provide a plush and supportive seat. The extended chaise section allows you to comfortably stretch out your legs, creating the perfect lounge setup for reading, relaxing, or watching your favorite show. It is built with a sturdy wooden frame and supported by durable metal and beached wood legs. This sofa promises long-lasting stability and everyday reliability. The removable cushions makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, helping your living area stay fresh and inviting with minimal effort. This sofa is finished in modern fox leather. It complements a range of interior styles from minimalistic and industrial to contemporary and urban chic, with overall dimension of 79 cm in height, 177 cm in width, and 80 cm depth, extending to 133 cm at the chase. This compact corner sofa is designed to make the most of your available space without overwhelming it. The seat height stands at 44 cm with a seating area of 156 cm wide by 52 cm deep, providing ample comfort for solo lounging or casual socializing. This sofa will arrive part assembled with an easy assembly process and comes securely packed with dimension of 44 cm by 210 cm by 78 cm and total weight of 39 kg. This sofa is well suited for first-time homeowners or renters looking for a modern, compact solution that doesn't sacrifice comfort, and also those with small apartments or urban homes where every centimeter counts. This sofa is also well suited for style-conscious shoppers who want the luxurious look of leather with easier care and lower cost. It's also suited for families and pet owners seeking a durable, wipe-down surface and fuss-free maintenance. The Jacob Fox leather compact corner chaise sofa is an excellent choice for anyone who values modern design, efficient use of space, and easy maintenance without compromising on comfort or quality. With its combination of soft fox leather, plush cushioning, durable construction, and compact size, it is a sofa that offers both visual appeal and everyday functionality. Whether you are furnishing a new home, upgrading a small lounge, or simply seeking a more relaxed, stylish seating option, this chaise sofa makes a welcome and lasting addition to any space. This sofa deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.